Hi everyone, Jim here. I just got the Maonocaster Lite from Maono, the AM200 S4 kit that comes with the soundboard and the 25mm microphone. Let me tell you about it. So I've been doing videos for a while now, and every now and then I want to overdub some audio onto the video, and I've run into some problems that the microphone that I have attached to my computer just doesn't work very well. It's very tinny, doesn't sound right. It's supposed to be a nice microphone, but there aren't a lot of controls for it. So I thought, let me look and see what I can get as far as a microphone that could do more audio processing. And I don't know much about this stuff, but I found this kit online. I guess it started out as a Kickstarter, but I bought it on Amazon. It was on sale for about 120 bucks. Had incredible reviews for it. Everybody seems to really love it. So I thought, let's give it a try. So basically it's a audio board that you can connect to your computer. You can do live streaming with it, podcasting, that type of stuff. And you can also use it as a microphone for the computer to, overdub into your editing software. So I'm gonna learn how to use this, and I thought maybe I'd show everybody along the way. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Okay, so this is the box. Let's open it up. There's the user manual. Connection instructions. So we've got audio cable, a USB cable. Let's see. Okay, just 3. So we have 2 audio cables. They look like the same type of pins. Okay, USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A. So this is the unit itself. Looks pretty cool. Put that over here. So here's the microphone. That looks pretty snazzy. It's got the windscreen. A stand, a really solid base. The only thing so far that I don't like is that the base is metal all across the bottom, so you'd probably want to put some rubber feet or felt on there if you're going to put it on any type of nice furniture while you're podcasting. So we got a little shock absorber mount for the microphone. That goes on here. And then an XLR to 3.5mm cable that goes into the mic. So that's about it for the box unboxing. So the next thing I'm going to do is plug it in, do some tests, see what it sounds like. I'll try plugging it in through the camera and see how it works. So, yeah, with this setup, it's pretty cool. Like this is right now in the standard mode. I think it's working. You got some really nice controls. You have some really nice controls over your lows, mids, and highs, which is the main thing that I really wanted because I don't have that on the microphone on my computer. So now I'll be able to just output this directly into the computer, and then it's got all these other features. So like right now I'm just recording in standard mode, nothing really special to it. And then what we have are effects. With the effects button, it kind of enhances the vocals and allows you to control the reverb. On standard, you don't have any change when you move this echo slider. But if you put it in Pro mode, then this is what it sounds like, and I can start adding reverb to it. So it sounds like I'm in an auditorium. And basically that's all it is just, a little bit of reverb here and there. And then we press the effects again.
Pop.
And this is the pop mode. So it doesn't change a whole lot, just a little bit in how the echo or the reverb is applied. And then the next one I believe is MC.
MC.
Yep. So this is MC. I think it's a little deeper, but yeah. You know, just a nice little echo, so it sounds like I'm in a room with a whole bunch of cheering fans. Yay.
Original.
And then this is back to original. So the next button we have here is the pitch button. And this allows you, it has a female voice, a male voice, a baby voice, and then a robot voice. So let's do the female.
Female.
Hey everyone, how's it going? This is so cool. It actually really sounds neat in the headphones. I don't know. Okay, let's do the male voice.
Male.
So this is the male voice. Hey everyone, won't you come on over? It's a little creepy. And then now the baby voice.
Baby.
Hey everyone, I'm the baby. Oh, that's really creepy. Wee-hoo! Wee!
Robot.
And this is the robot voice. You will be assimilated. Resistance is futile.
Female. Male.
Here we go. Okay.
Pro.
So, yeah,
Pop. MC. Original.
here we are, back in the original. Okay. So, really cool. I like the pitch. You don't get any control. So when you've got the pitch selected, you can, do the different voices, but you can't use any of the other effects. So you can't apply reverb to the female voice, which is a little too bad because that might sound even funnier. Then the rest of the buttons over here, you can press a button for music only, and sidechain will automatically lower the vocals into music. So like if you want to do like karaoke type thing, and then the loop back button is what you do to process all of this. And when you've got it connected to the computer, then the output would go to the computer. Otherwise, it would only have the mic channel and not any of the other effects. Okay, so that's all those buttons. And then these buttons here are just pre-recorded tracks. So there's an opening track, which is like if you were doing a live stream, you could just press this when you're getting ready to start, and it would sound like this. Pretty cool. Okay. And then you've got an applause button. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep. A gunshot. Oh, that not what I expected. Then we got a laugh track. That was funny. A booing track. That's an angry crowd. Awkward. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. I get it. Okay. And then slapping. Okay. Then cheering. That's pretty cool. I'm like right now I can hear all this through the headphones. So I'm really, when I go to edit the video, I'm really excited to see what it sounds like output through there. But so far, this really is kind of cool. My next step will be to take this and actually edit the video and try some of the voiceovers and see how the mic sounds there. But right now, I think it sounds fantastic. And I'm not sure what I'll use all of this for other than just having something to overdub stuff in my videos. But if I do decide to do any podcasting at some point, this could be a lot of fun to play with. So yeah, I'll do some stuff. I'll try some voiceovers when I do the video editing. But for now, this is pretty much the end of the video. For $120, this is kind of a cool little toy. Yeah. So if you like my channel, as always, hit like, subscribe, you know the drill. And if you've got any comments, if you know anything about audio editing, I know nothing about this. This is just something I bought to try this out and to try to improve my videos. So I'd love to hear from you. Place a comment below if there's some advice that you could give me, if there's things I should do differently, or if you just think I'm horrible, even with all the pitches. So anyway, love it if you subscribe to my channel, and talk to you later. Thanks.